Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video is my first Dollar Tree Halloween / fall haul. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see some extra items from a second haul and some extra stuff I got from Family Dollar. To start off this haul is this year's Halloween roses. The first set is black with silver glitter skulls, and the second one is red with black glitter skulls. Next are the LED strings of lights. Each one of these has a count of 10 LEDs, and each come with its own design and only take 2 AA batteries per pack. I will show you later how they look when they light up. Next is probably my favorite bit of items that I got from my first Dollar Tree haul, and they're all made of wood, staining, and paintable. The first one is an owl pencil holder, and then the rest of these are just hanging decorations. Again, you can paint and or stain because they are made of wood, and they're all extremely cute. I had one of each of all the Halloween decorations so far. This next one is very glittery. It's a set of 5 decoration cats that come in 3 different sizes. Now for the damaged goods. My cat got really excited when I brought back all this stuff, and she ended up breaking one of my signs, but I was able to fix it later. Next, I'll show you what all the LED strings look like lit up, starting with the ghost. Again, these only take 2 AA batteries. Normally, I like to use rechargeable, but I didn't have any charged when I went to test these, so I ended up having to use disposable. The reason why I recommend rechargeable batteries and not disposable batteries is because you end up saving more money whenever you change out your batteries to just recharge them than you do if you were to buy new batteries each time. I am obsessed with all these little LED strings. I love the way that they look, I love the little designs, and I love that I can put them inside a fake pumpkin after being carved so I can reuse my pumpkins each year, and I don't have to worry about it damaging the pumpkins. I also use it to decorate my desk and other small decorations around my place to give it a little extra Halloween vibe. And here's the finished product of all the things from the first haul. Again, stay tuned to the end of the video to see the rest of a second haul. I love the way that all of these turned out. If you would like to see how I got to this point and making all of them look like this, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will show you the process of me painting individual things and how I make them look the way I do. Other than that, all the rest of this is the first major haul. Let me know down in the comment section if you've ever done anything like this before, or if you're going to now. So here is the second haul. I had to do this in 2 separate purchases because I had seen a lot of stuff, but I couldn't get it all in one go. All of these, except for a few items, are made of wood, and the pictures you see in the beginning of the video is actually these items painted up by my little sister and my boyfriend. If you would like to see how they did that, do let me know in the comment section down below. But justly, these are the rest of it that I couldn't pick up from my first haul. Last but not least, 2 foam pumpkins with like a crushed velvet material on the outside of them that are super cute. Basically, I wanted to include this into my first haul because I bought this the same time I bought my first Halloween items from Dollar Tree, but I got these ones from Family Dollar. I love the LED strings, but these ones are a lot longer with a count of 20, so if that's what you're looking for, then you can get them over at Family Dollar for about $3, and they run on 2 AA batteries. Do let me know if you enjoyed this video by hitting that like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and let me know in the comment section down below if you ever use these LED strings to light up any fall decorations, or if you're going to now.